Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home, my dear all students. And all my dear students, today we are going to learn about. Today we are going to learn chapter number 12, handling data. What, my dear students? Handling a data. Understood, all dear? So now I am going to start here handling the data chapter number 12. Okay, and in last lecture we have done a pictograph. What, my dear students? In last lecture we have done a pictograph exercise number 12a, question number we have done. Now we will move on further, my dear students, our session. So before starting our session, let's check today's code. So now I am going to present here today's code, and then after, my dear students, we will move on our session. So now I am going to present here today's code all dear. Okay, so let's check today's code all dear. What is the today's code? So today's quote is what all dear? Today's quote is, if you can dream it, you can do it. What, my dear student? If you can dream it, you can do it. But my points, all of you understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all. And then after we will going to start our session. What is the name of the chapter? First of all, you note down the name of the chapter, chapter number 12, handling data. What is the name of our chapter? Name of our chapter is handling data, my dear all students. So now you note down the name of this chapter, handling data, all dear. Then we will move on further, my dear. So now we will start our session. Okay. As per, first of all, my dear students, what we have income complete that time that question. Okay. The workers are also recorded the homes of the little creatures in the forest. Got my points all dear? What the means here, what the question here is the what, natural walk. During the natural walk, what will happen then? It's a for what, it's for a data handling question. All question for data handling. Homes of animal are seen. But my points here, topic is what? Homes of the animals are seen. Okay. The walkers also record the homes of the little creatures in the forest. Got my points? This pictograph shows you how many of each of these they show. The walkers also recorded the homes of the little creatures in the forest. The pictograph shows you how many of each of these they show. Okay, my dear all students, the workers also recorded the harms of the little creatures in the forest. The pictograph shows you how many of each these they show. Okay, so what is the name of title on all my dear students? The name of title is Home of the Animals Seen. Home of the Animals Seen. The title of what this data? The title of this data is Homes of Animals Seen, means house of animals seen. What my points are? And in other term, what will say, my dear students? In other term, we can say the house of animal scenes. The house of animal scenes. Got my points, all of you? The house of animal scenes. Okay, so the title name is what? Homes of the animals are animal scenes, or house of animal scenes. Got my points? And this is the what? This is the pictograph. Okay, what is the meaning of pictograph? Means a wall graph is represented by the any photos, any pictures, or any symbol are using in this graph. Got my point? So this is a pictograph example, my dear students. Understood all what I am telling you? This is a what? This is a pictograph example, my dear. So note down the answer in your book. Do fast all. And what is the key here? And always we are what we are going to solve data handling. That time what we are going to check first we are going to check the title, and then after we are going to check, my dear students, key. What is the key is here? Key is what here? Key for each star is equal to 6 home 6 house. Each star is presenting the 6 homes. How many house? How many homes are presenting here? 6 homes. Okay. And here is in some pictograph only a part of the picture symbol may be used. Okay. What, my dear all students? In some pictographs only a part of a picture symbol may be used. Understood all of you what I am telling you, my dear all students? And the next line is half the picture has half the picture has half the value of the whole picture. Means what here? If we are going to check here, if we are going to see here the half star, so that time we are going to be consider a half value of the key. Okay, means full value of star is what? Full value of star is what? Full value of star is a 6 homes. So if a half star are there, so that time we are going to be a consider what, my dear students? Half value. Okay, full star is equal to 6 homes, so half star is equal to 3 homes. See here, my dear students. Half star is here. Half star is equal to 3 homes. What my points? What I am telling you, my dear students. So again, I am going to present here. Again, I am going to repeat for you all. Half the picture has half the value of the whole picture. In this key, star stands for the 6 animal home. So half stands for a 3 animal homes. In this key, see, my dear students, this is key. In this key, a full star means whole star stands for a 6 animal homes. So half star stands for a 3 animal homes. And then here is, my dear all students, see here, 2 half star is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, and 12 plus here half star means 3. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15, means 6 to the 12, and 12 plus half 3 star. It will be present at what? It will be a present a half. Okay, means 12 plus 3 is equal to 16, my dear all students. Okay, so answer is what? 15 ant hills are there. So now we have a data. First of all, we are going to make a wall data here. Okay, so now I am going to write the answer first here. So now first of all, we are going to count the strength of homes. First is what? Bird nests. Okay, bird nests are there. So we are going to count the strength of bird nests. So how many bird nests are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 bird nests are there? No, there are so many. Okay, why? But what a reason? Here is each star is equal to 6. Okay, each star is equal to 6 homes. How many homes for each star? Each star for a 6 homes, my dear all students. Each star for a 6 home, all dear. So here is a 4. Okay, so here, my dear students, 6 4 or 6 4 or 4 6. How many? 6 4 za or 4 6 za. So animal next is equal to how many, my dear all students? 24. How many all dear? 24 are there. So here is a 24, 24. Put my point. And then after third is tree holes. How many trees hole are there? Holes are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's also same. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 6. So 4 6 are 24. So answer is we are going to be returned 24. The 24. And then after here's ant hills. Ant hills. So 1, 2 and a half. So 2 star is equal to 6 to the 12 and half star is represent a half of this 6. Okay. So my dear all students, 2 2 for 6. Okay, sorry. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3 means 15. Okay, so in third is what, my dear students? 1 5 15. Ant hills is 1 5 15. Got my point? Ant hills is presenting 1 5 15. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? And then after spider webs. Spider webs is what, my dear all students? Spider webs is present 1 and 2. 2. Spider webs is present 2. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Got my points? So it's present how many? Spider webs is 12 are there. Understood? So now we are going to solve the answer. Attention here all. First of all, you are note down the answer all dear. Sorry, note down the question all dear students in your book. Do fast. You have to write the whole things in your book. Do fast all dear. You have a write of all things in your book all dear. Question number 1 is what all dear? Question number 1 is how many spider webs did they see? Then after the second question, how many more ant hills than a spider webs did they see? Means we have to compare their ant hills or spider webs. Okay, ant hill and spider webs. We have to compare and then after more than we are going to be a right. Understood all of you? Got my points? I hope you all are understood all dear. Then after the third question, which two kind of the animals home did they see the same number of and how many? And then after here the last question. I hope you all are writing with me all dear the question and then you put a space of answer. And then we will going to solve the questions. And then after we will write the answer all dear. Understood? With my points, I hope you all are understood all dear. Do fast. And the last question is what? How many less a spider? How many less spider webs than a tree holes did they see? You have to note down some all things in your book all dear. Do fast, my dear all students. You have to write the all things in your book all dear. And then we will move on further, my dear all. Understood? So now let's check the question number 1. What is the question number 1 all dear? Let's check the question number 1 all dear. What is the question number 1? Question number 1 is how many spider webs did they see? Question number A is what? How many spider webs did they see? So let's check how many spiders webs did they see. Check the spider webs is here. What, my dear students? There are 12 spider webs are seen. There are 12 spider webs are seen there. Understood all? So my dear students, answer is what? And we have to see, there are a total 12 spider webs are seen there. Okay. So 12 spider spider webs. How many, my dear students? 12 spider webs. Put my points all here. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. What I am telling you, you have to note down the whole things in your book all. Do fast. Note down the answer all here in your book. 12 spider webs are there. How many more ant hills than a spider web? So spider web is a 12 and ant hill is a 15. So 15 minus 12. How many left are there? 3. Okay. So 3 ant hill is more than a spider web. Okay. So answer is what? 3 ant hill ant hills. 3 ant hills are there is more than a what? More than a spider web, my dear students. So note down the answer in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood all dear. Understood, my dear all students. What I am telling you have to write. You have to note down the all answer in your book. Do fast. And then after the what is the third question? Question number C is which two kind of the animals, which are two kinds of means two types of the animal homes did they see that did they see the same number of and how many? Okay. So there is a bird next and trees whole are both are 24. So first is we write the how many strength 24. But 24 is what all my dear students? 24 is 3 holes, holes and 3 holes and a bird nest. Bird, B-I-R, birds, birds nest. What my points all dear? So note down the answer in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood all dear. So note down the answer in your book. Do fast. This is the answer number 4 all dear students. Okay, these lines and 24 you have to write with answer number C. Which two kind of the animals whom did they see the same number of and how many? 24. 3 holes and bird nests. See here. Understood? Got my points, my dear students, what I am telling you. Then after here, the question number 4 is what? So let's check the question number 4. How many less a spider than the 3 holes? 3 holes are there 24 and spider web is a 12. Okay, so now understand the question and then we will going to write the answer. So note down the question first again. Okay, there are 24 trees whole and spider web is 12. Okay, so how many spider webs are less? 12 spider web are less than. Okay, 12 spider spider webs. There are 12 spider webs. But my points, there are 12 spider web. So now you have to note down the answer in your book. Do fast all dear. Understood, my dear all students, what I am telling you, you have to write the answers in your book. Do fast. Understood, all my dear students. This is done. This question all we have done here. Understood? And what is this? This is type 4, means this is activity based and we have to try this question. We are going to try this question at your home. So now first of all, only I am given here explanation. You have to note down the sum. Okay, show the information in pictograph. Take a smile to stand for a two children. Okay, so here is C, smile for a two children. So I am going to write here answer two children. Two children. Got my points, all of you. What I am telling you, you have to note down the answer all. Do fast. So, my dear all students, each smiley is equal to two children. Understood? This is the key for this question. Okay, here is topic is what, my dear students? Favorite book series. Understood? Favorite book series. The title. Let's check the title, my dear students, and note down the title. Favorite book series. Understood all? Favorite book series. Harry Potter for 10 children, 39 clues, 8 children, and 4 to the 8. See here, my dear students, there are 39 clues, okay, and 8 children. So 8 children means a 4 to the how many? 8. 4 to the 8. Got my points all dear? Understood what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood all dear. So note down the answer in your book. Do fast all. And then here we want a 4. 4 smiley. 4 to the 8. Then after G's Tesliton, 6 children. Okay, so each children for a each children, not each, 2 children per one smiley. So 3 to the 6 means here we want how many smiley? 3. And then after, my dear students, Vampy Kid Diaries for a 5 children. So my dear students, as per I was told you, what we are taking here, we are going to take here the half smiley. Okay, 4 means 2 for the each smiley is equal to 2 children. Okay, so 2 smiley and half. Got my points all dear, what I am telling you? You have to note down the answer in your book all dear. And here we are take the half smile. Okay, half smile is equal to 1. Means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 1 plus half. It will be a make a what? It will be a make a half is present, half smile is present a one children. Understood all? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. So this is done here, my dear students, and as like that, my dear students, you know the name of the story book. You have to make a series of your favorite story book, and then after, as like that, here only we use a what? Here we use a what, my dear students? Here we use already a smiley, but you have to use a different symbol or different pictures, and then you have to make the tables. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points? So note down these things in your book, do fast, and then we will move on next session. Understood? Got my points? Okay, and next topic we are going to learn a bar graph. Next topic we are going to a bar graph. Got my points? Thank you so much, my dears, for watching this video. Thank you all my dear students.